Hey guys, it's me, Cheryl Cooper from Keller Williams, and we are here at my newest listing at Washington Grand in Washington Township, New Jersey. This one's a beauty. One of the largest units that you can get here at Washington Grand, just slightly under 1,700 square feet. You can see this beautiful entrance hall, and over here to our right, we have a full laundry room, a bedroom, and a full bath. This is great for your guests coming to see you and visit with you, and they are far enough away from you so you can still have your privacy. So follow along here, and we're going to come into our very grand primary bedroom, and I can tell you that this room fits a king-size bed with 2 side tables, lots of furniture, and a sitting area. We have a walk-in closet. We have a coat closet, and if you come on in here, we have double sink, separate shower, tub, beautifully tiled floor to ceiling. It's timeless, Corian counters. This is beautiful in here. And then we have brand new carpeting. The place has been freshly painted. And we're gonna walk into here where we have our den, and we also have not a brand new, but a newer hot water heater and furnace. And of course we have our balcony. Then we have our living room and dining area. You can see how great this is. There's a lot of recessed lighting through here also. And then that leads us into our kitchen. We have a beautiful eat-in kitchen, all brand new stainless steel appliances. Nobody has used those, so the new owner will be the first one to use those appliances. We have our granite counters, and this counter is brand spanking new, and this center island here is movable. So if you want to put this in a different area of the kitchen, you can. We also have 2 underground parking spots, 2 storage spots. So this is really something that you don't usually find here at Washington Grand. So if you'd like to see this beauty, just get in touch with us and we will get you in very quickly.